So, Nirmal, tell us more about this product, Buried Profits AI, that everyone seems to be talking about. And as I see, you have also written a review about it on your site, theproductoasis.com.
Buried Profits AI. It's a really fresh product. I've not seen something so brilliant in a long time. Let me tell you a little bit about the creator, uh, Demetris Papadopoulos. I mean, he's also known as D Papa. He hails from Greece, and he's a digital marketer and a product creator of great repute. I've written a page about him on my site. You can go and look it up. Okay, now this product, Buried Profits AI, is a fantastic product for anyone who's into the domain flipping business. But he's taken domain flipping to the next level. What is domain flipping? Domain flipping is when you are able to identify domains which have got great potential, but people who the original owners have abandoned those domains. So you go and buy them at peanuts. There's a ballpark figure that he's saying $11. $11 you can start buying these domains. Now, after buying these domains, he is using AI to monetize them before he flips them. So he can monetize those sites using affiliate income, CPA, AdSense, buyer leads, domain parking, so many methods, and he makes money out of them. And after that, he also he flips them, sells them off. Let me play a clip of Deepapa as he explains his product in his own words.
Hi, and welcome to Berry Profits AI. This sales page shows you exactly what I've been able to do in the last 3 to 4 months with domain flipping. And it's not just domain flipping. It's about me finding a strategy on finding these deleted domains that other people didn't want, and I'm able to rebuild them using AI and my secret platform where I'm building my websites instantly by just telling it my keyword or my domain name that I want to build a site from. Also attaching my affiliate links. I'm also monetizing these sites with various tools that I'm going to be sharing you inside this 5 ways that you can actually make money with this system that I put together. It's called Buried Profits AI because we're finding gold in other people's foundations that they've started and they probably forgot, they didn't renew, mainly purchased, that they've been building for many years. There's history, there's traffic, there's backlinks. Now the fact is that you can monetize that traffic with 5 different methods and more. It's just uncovering the 5 methods that actually work for me, and it will work for you if you put the time and effort. Now let me show you a couple examples of what I'm talking about, and I'll come back and show you exactly what else you're getting inside Buried Profits AI.